Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export data from your ClickUp account. I mean from your ClickUp workspace. So this is really simple and straightforward, so I will show you right now how to do this. First, go right here to your profile picture or your workspace picture and then go down until you see settings. Click on that. Now this will open up your settings. And in order to back up and export your data, you will have to go over here to this imports/exports tab. Here you can start an export. As you can see, you can also export your workspace data for offline analysis and backup. So click on Start Export, then just click on Start Export right here, and it will give you the download export button to download the data in CSV format. So choose where, press save, and as you can see, it's saved now and download it. So this is how you export your data in ClickUp. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.